Hello Jira users. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the customization features of our app, found in the More Settings section of the gadgets. To begin with, in the More Settings section, you can unlock a 3D view for your charts. Switch seamlessly between three default views: chart, pivot table, and tiles. Ensure you access the most up-to-date Jira data by establishing precise chart refresh intervals. Tailor your chart by selecting your preferred inline results appearance. Choose between chart and tooltip or tooltip only. Enhance the readability of your chart by rotating your x-axis labels. Limit x-axis items to a specific number. Or establish a fixed maximum value for the y-axis.